How to fix WhatsApp verification code not coming on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, you can also switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps, and further tap on the Messages option. Go ahead and toggle off the iMessage toggle button and further scroll down from the right side of your screen. You will be led to the Control Center. Enable airplane mode and wait for a minimum of 10 to 20 seconds before disabling it again. Now, go back to Settings and further enable iMessage toggle button again and see if your issue is fixed. If not, in Settings again, tap on Notifications and navigate to WhatsApp and tap on that. Make sure the toggle button for Allow Notifications is toggled on, and the final fix for this issue is to offload the app. So, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the WhatsApp application and tap on it. Now tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.